Hey boys and girls, we're going on a little adventure today. We're going to do a Volkswagen rescue. So let's get into this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the videos. Let's go have some Volkswagen fun. Be something. The wobble machine. Oh jeez.
Now she's going.
Wait until she hits the road reflector.
Her front tire is low. You see that?
Yeah.
That whole thing is like, oh, it's good. Come on, suspension work. Do it. Wait till she slows down.
Wait till she hits a road reflector trying to get back near the lanes. Now I'm filming. Just future warning. Give me a seat. Yeah, I guess I'll take a seat.
I can't do that.
That's because he's 10 years younger than us. That's what he's saying, you know?
I think Matt, we were doing this, remember? Now we stopped.
Yeah. Oh, what do I hit? What was that? Ceiling got sharp. Yes, it does. It gets cooler. That's the good thing about it. Each flight gets cooler. You know, on the head might not be the best idea. Uh-oh. It's the wife saying, don't bring anything home.
There's Scott.
There. All parts and pieces. This is just the one car. Oh my goodness. Adventures. Oh man. So we failed at moving the motor coach. Got the tractor out and manpower. Moved it out at the other side of the garage through the grass. Now we got to get it off the rotisserie. What trouble did you get us into?
Well, we got stopped by a cop.
For
This is weak.
Not stopping at a stoplight.
that we were stopped at for like 2 minutes.
And then we got off because we were 100% correct. And now we have a Volkswagen. I have no idea what to do with.
Yeah, Ben's got all this stuff in the truck and a trailer. I don't even know what you're going to do with all this, man. Oh,
Bad decisions. That's what we're doing.
bad decisions. Can we get the light on? Come on. There we go. Look at all that stuff. Yeah. And then all that stuff in there. I hope you've got everything.
We got an Ebersprocher in Florida.
No, you said that's a different brand. That's not Ebersprocher.
It's not the Ebersprocher?
I hope that didn't go to his Mustang. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
But he got,
Did it go?
I hope not. I hope not. If not, you're gonna have to take that back to him. But he got a good, cool little car. That's a lot of stuff to load.
Me and Matt loaded that back up. We're good.
Yeah, and you know, after looking at it, it didn't seem like a bright idea to bring that, but you never know. Like,
It was a good idea.
the guy may have not had a tractor to put it up in there, so, you know. And I'm going to tell you right now, those...
Original keys.
Yeah.
John Deere, that's the only thing out of everything he had there ran.
Yeah, we failed. We massively failed getting the RV ran.
The RV would have ran.
That motor home.
That was a motor coach. No, that was a motor coach. That thing was bigger than a motor home. You know.
We could have pushed it.
I think you should have pulled it with your truck, but
You guys could have pushed
we'd have got ran over by the UPS guy that was going down that little side street at 50 mile an hour.
it. Had we tried to push that, it would have been just that much longer that cop would have went right up.
I'm just saying, the tractor was pulling, but that rope was slacked the whole time.
That rope was,
That rope's been
and when it did get it stretched like 4 inches, dude. That thing was going to break. So, all right. Well, that's the adventure here. Ben's got more stuff. Not like he has anything in the garage over there. He's got stuff all over there too. So.